the creators of a made-in-Singapore type of rice have received the exclusive rights to produce and trade the grain. Temasek Life Sciences Laboratory will hold the rights to Temasek Rice for up to 25 years.
And for more, we're joined in studio by Dr. Yin Zhong Chao, Senior Principal Investigator at Temasek Life Sciences Laboratory. Thank you so much for coming in, Dr. Yin. Firstly, just get us up to speed and give us a recap. I know you were here 2 years ago sort of talking about this, but this is quite a significant development since then. How different is it, though, Temasek rice from other grains?
Okay, so Temasek rice is an aromatic long-grain rice. It has a good cooking and eating quality. And the rice line or rice variety has high yield and with high resistance to bacteria and fungal disease, and also shows tolerance to submergence and drought.
So it's very hardy.
Yeah, it's hardy and robust.
So these rights that you now have to grow this rice exclusively for the next 25 years, what's that going to mean in terms of scaling up production for this particular rice?
Well, okay, so the PVP, the ground of the PVP is a good recognition for our innovation to have been gone to this Temasek rice. And we have 25 years exclusive for production, sale, import, and export. So with this, we can partner with rice company or rice farmer and giving them the exclusive license and to increase the rice productivity.
So now you've got to this point, I suppose, the sooner you can get moving on this, the better. What arrangements are in place then with cultivators, and how are they chosen?
You mean the rice, how we choose the pattern?
Yes,
rice?
That's right.
Yes. Okay, we team up with a local rice company, and they engage with a local farmer. And we prefer they use their own method to grow this rice, especially for using organic method. So currently we produce the rice in Java Island, Indonesia. We produce in Tasika, Malaya, and Solo into place. Yeah.
So, Dr. Yin, how do these rights now affect the availability of rice here in Singapore?
Okay, so Singapore is a lead rice import company as country. So currently we import only from one or two or several resources or countries. So this Temasek rice, and through our field trial and plantation, we found it can adapt to better climate change and also the geographical location. That means we can grow this improved Temasek rice in more countries. So in that case, we can boost the production by growing in more countries. Now with the PVP protection, so we can team up with this foreign company or farmers to produce this Temasek rice. That will increase the rice sources and also boost the rice in Singapore. This also addresses the concern for the food security in Singapore. In the meantime, we can benefit the local farmers because they grow our rice because it has good quality and yield, so they can have better income. So we will see can benefit both sides, both Singaporean and the rice farmers.
And the demand for rice is already quite significant, and it's only going to get bigger as the populations continue to grow. Is one of the factors of how hardy it is and how robust it is, as you mentioned, an important thing going forward, because as we see more and more sort of climate change affecting crops and how sort of plantations can be affected, then a rice such as this perhaps has a strong advantage.
Yes, you are right, because with the population increase and also climate change, so we have to grow rice in less land with less water, and we have to grow more rice. So the rice scientists and also rice farmer facing a great challenge. So Singapore is a not rice-growing country, but we can do R&D, especially at the upstream. We can identify those genes which can provide resistance to disease, provide tolerance to climate change. So with this, we can generate IP, and also in the meantime, we can do the breeding with breeder to generate new varieties. So by working together with scientists and the farmer, so we can boost the rice production. So this we can better address the food security, especially for the rice. So Temasek rice is a good example for us to further working on it.
All right, well, thank you so much for coming in and helping us understand all you've been achieving so far. Congratulations again on the exclusive rights, and we wish you all the best in the future. We've been speaking with Dr. Yin Zhong Chao, Senior Principal Investigator at the Temasek Life Sciences Laboratory.